Right, so it is Tuesday and I am off to Halfords to go and get, hopefully, this wheel spinnery thing to help me clean my chain and also polish my rear wheel, because I'm incapable of getting my Bandit since it's been lowered onto its centre stand. I do also have a track stand, but that's like a two-man job, and I kind of want something that's a bit more of a one-man job. So I'm going to go there, also pick up hopefully some cleaning bits and bobs, because it's Ripley's MOT day tomorrow and interim service ahead of our French trip. So I want to make sure she's all nice and clean for her MOT. So off we go. So before I start doing most of the polishing, I'm just going to go around and touch up a couple of little bits of paint, like this bit where the seat rubs the tank, and do a couple of little bits like that before I start to polish her. Good morning. So me and Ripley are off for our MOT, MSC motorcycles over in Plymouth. Annoyingly, I gave her pre-MOT scrubbing clean, polished the works, repainted loads of bits and bobs that need a little bit of a touch up from like various stone chips, etc. And obviously now the road is wet. So she's going to get dirty. Such is life, I suppose. But the interesting addition to the bike at the minute is yesterday I realised that she has a tear in the protective bit of the like the fabricy protective bit for the cable loom that goes into the headlamp, and it's like torn and the whole wire's all exposed and everything. So anyway, we couldn't find any tape to hand in the garage, so we have put on a rubber glove wrapping. If it rains, at least the cables are covered a little bit. Silly boys wheeling on the road, no helmets on. Be a little bit careful because it's been so dry, the roads are going to be slippy with this first bit of rain. You probably can't see that on the camera, but in all of the gorse bushes there's obviously lots of cobwebs, which you don't normally see, but because it's been raining, and obviously quite fine misty rain, to not break the cobwebs, there's like these interesting kind of coverings, which means that you can see them. It's quite cool. Cool, Andy. just arriving at MSC. Ripley's passed her MOT with 0 advisories, which is pretty good. Very happy with that, considering her age. So she's got her cable thing all tied up and new foot pegs, so we're all good to go. But we're going to go back a slightly different way than the way we came over, so we're going to go back by the clay pits, which, if there aren't too many lorries, is quite a nice road. The new road between the tungsten mine and the clay pits. The wind's picking up now anyway. Tell the rain's definitely on its way. So here's the new road, which I quite like. Oh, horse. Gotta be courteous to the horses. I do love the smell of fresh rain though. Anyone else get that? Oh god, I hate these potholes. Those are literally the worst potholes. They've been here for ages as well. I mean, it's like, come on, can we please address the issue with the road? Oh no, rain. Oh no, I've got my air slit things in my jacket open, so that's great. Yuck, 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 yuck. Oh, horsey, didn't see that. Ugh. So now we're getting the full moor experience. Fog, rain, sheep, horses. Delightful. What is this? Oh, an electric scooter. Is that even allowed? I don't know what the laws are with electric scooters. They're kind of like a mystery to me. I don't think the ice cream van man's going to be selling much ice cream today, is he? Ugh. Rain, rain, rain. Some other poor person getting wet. I'm not the only crazy person. It's even heavier up here. Joys. Ugh, do get the rain off the visor head shake. I don't have waterproof trousers on either, so this is just delightful. Ugh. Horrible rain. Why? I've just cleaned my bike. Ugh. I should have checked the forecast as well and brought my waterproof over trousers. But I'm an idiot, so I didn't. Got a bit of rain down my visor, right where I kind of want to be seeing. Slightly annoying. Oh, this is horrible. Actually, do I have enough fuel to get me by till the next time I go out? Yes. I think next time I go out, I'll just go straight to Mario's. I can't face the petrol station today, I don't think. There also need the toilet, so this is a major factor in my plan. Where has summer gone? I know we need rain and water for the plants and all that kind of stuff, but can we just like hold the rain off until I'm not on my motorbike? I also got a pool of water now sitting in my crotch in between me and the tank, which is lovely. There's people crossing this bit of the road. They are, aren't they? That'd be nice because it's not very nice weather. And now we've got a lovely traffic queue to enjoy this beautiful weather with. So I may or may not get out on Ripley for the rest of the week. I'm not entirely sure. So if this is the last bit of the video that you see, then I didn't manage it. I'm hoping to. Maybe Friday. See what the weather's doing and everything. Because Saturday I'm on the Isle of Wight gigging, and then Sunday we've got like the 8 AM ferry, I believe, so I'll be back early, but I won't want to go out on my bike by the time I get back, so if that happens to be the case, then I'll get out on next week. Kind of really want to try and get to Cheddar Gorge. Never been to Cheddar Gorge ever. I know I've driven past it, like around it, but never through it, so I would like to have a little day trip to there, so might maybe get that done next week, because that would be nice. So if this is the last of the video, thank you again for watching, and I'll catch up again with you soon. I guess maybe Cheddar Gorge if I get that far next week. But anyway, I'll definitely see you then. So please like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later. Alright, cheers, thanks, bye.